Search engines are not the only game in town anymore. When ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Claude answer a question about your product, they don't run Google. They pull from a completely different index. And here's the problem. Most websites are still built for humans and search bots, heavy JavaScript, ads, pop-ups, navigation menus. AI crawlers hit that mess and give up. Today, I'm showing you a free tool that fixes this in about 30 seconds. It generates two files, called llms.txt and llms-full.txt, that let AI models read your site the way they actually want to. Open the tool and you land on a clean page with three input options: sitemap URL, website URL, and paste URLs. No signup, no credit card. Sitemap URL is the recommended path. It's the fastest and most complete. Website URL will autocrawl if you don't have a sitemap. Paste URLs is for when you only want a hand-picked list. Let's grab the sitemap. I'll paste in https://www.nameslink.com/sitemap.xml. The button turns solid black the moment the URL is valid. Right next to it, you can pick max pages. 25 is a good starting point for a marketing site. Bigger sites can push this higher, but let's keep it tight for the demo. Now click Start Crawling. The progress bar kicks in immediately, and you can watch it climb 5, 10, 15, all the way to 25 out of 25. Done in seconds. The moment it finishes, two file tabs appear. On the left, llms.txt. On the right, llms-full.txt. Both are generated in one pass. The visual preview on the left shows every page it crawled, with title, description, and a tiny badge if it looks noisy. And here's a nice touch: you can uncheck any page you don't want in the final file. Say a career page or a legal doc, snuck in one click and it's gone. The counter drops from 25 to 24, and the output regenerates instantly. Now let's talk about the two files. llms.txt is the index, a short, clean Markdown table of contents that tells an AI model, here's what my site is about, and here are the important pages. llms-full.txt is the complete package. It bundles the actual content of every page, headings, descriptions, key sections, all as clean Markdown, no HTML noise. Flip to raw view, and you can see exactly what the AI will see. Each page becomes a section with a title, a URL, and a summary. This is the format the llms.txt spec asks for. When you're happy with the result, hit Download llms-full.txt. The file lands in your Downloads folder, and it's ready to upload to the root of your site. Open it up, and here it is: Complete Content Guide, Table of Contents, 25 sections, all in plain Markdown. No JavaScript, no tracking scripts, just pure text an LLM can chew on in one shot. So why does this matter? Once you drop these two files on your domain, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, and Perplexity can index your product properly and cite you accurately. It's basically SEO for the AI era. You'll find the tool at NamesLink.com under the AI Tools menu. It's 100% free, no watermark, no sign-up. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe for more free AI tools every week. See you in the next one.